50 animals. English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Leopard. Leopard. A leopard can run very fast. Panther. Panther. A panther is a black wild cat. Jaguar. Jaguar. Jaguars live in the jungle. Moose. Moose. A moose has big antlers. Buffalo. Buffalo. Buffaloes are strong animals. Bison. Bison. Bison are found in North America. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. A hedgehog has sharp spines. Raccoon. Raccoon. Raccoons are active at night. Koala. Koala. Koalas eat eucalyptus leaves. Sloth. Sloth. A sloth moves very slowly. Armadillo. Armadillo. An armadillo has a hard shell. Porcupine. Porcupine. A porcupine uses its quills for protection. Meerkat. Meerkat. Meerkats live in groups. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are very smart animals. Gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas live in the forest. Orangutan. Orangutan. Orangutans swing from trees. Hyena. Hyena. Hyenas have a loud laugh-like sound. Peacock. Peacock. A peacock has colorful feathers. Flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingos stand on one leg. Pelican. Pelican. A pelican has a big beak. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck trees for food. Ostrich. Ostrich. An ostrich is the largest bird. Emu. Emu. An emu is a big flightless bird. Alpaca. Alpaca. Alpacas have soft wool. Llama. Llama. Llamas are used for carrying loads. Camel. Camel. A camel can survive in the desert. Donkey. Donkey. Donkeys are hard-working animals. Mule. Mule. A mule is a mix of a horse and a donkey. Polar bear. Polar bear. A polar bear lives in cold places. Panda. Panda. Pandas love eating bamboo. Weasel. Weasel. A weasel is a small, fast animal. Otter. Otter. Otters love to swim in rivers. Platypus. Platypus. A platypus has a duck-like bill. Mole. Mole. Moles live underground. Beaver. Beaver. Beavers build dams in rivers. Wolverine. Wolverine. A wolverine is strong and fierce. Skunk. Skunk. A skunk sprays a bad smell. Orca. Orca. Orcas are one of the most intelligent marine mammals. Starfish. Starfish. A starfish has 5 arms. Crab. Crab. Crabs walk sideways. Lobster. Lobster. Lobsters live in the ocean. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, jelly-like bodies. Seahorse. Seahorse. A seahorse looks like a tiny horse. Clam. Clam. Clams live inside shells. Snail. Snail. A snail moves very slowly. Worm. Worm. Worms help the soil stay healthy. Scorpion. Scorpion. Scorpions have a dangerous tail. Firefly. Firefly. Fireflies glow at night. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. Dragonflies fly near water. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. A caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.